All right. So number one, Darwin has 4 gallons of lemonade. He needs to divide the lemonade. So 4 is being divided because that represents the lemonade. He needs to divide it into 1/6 servings. All right, 4 divided by 1/6, what we got? We got to do same, opposite, reciprocal. 4 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. The reciprocal is when the numerator goes to the denominator comes to the numerator. So you flip them. So 1/6, when you flip it, the 6 goes on top.
So 6 over 1.
6 over 1 or 6. Because remember, every whole number, like 6, is the same as 6 over 1.
24.
Now 6 is not the same as 1/6. But it's the same as 6 over 1. Please, no talking over me, okay? Guys, I don't hear any more talking. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 servings is your final answer. That's number 1. Number 2. Says family ordered a large pizza. Only half the pizza remains. 7 people need to eat. Enter the fraction that represents what each person will receive if the pizza is split evenly. The pizza is being split evenly. That's a code word for dividing. So the 1/2, which represents the pizza, is being divided amongst the 7 people. 1/2 divided by 7. Same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/2 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. The reciprocal of 7 is 1/7. So you have 1/2 times 1/7. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 7 is 14. 1/14 is your final answer. Number 3. A pitcher of orange juice is half full. It needs to be divided evenly. Well, what needs to be divided? The pitcher of orange juice, which is half full. It needs to be divided evenly among 5 children. So 1/2 divided by 5. Same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/2 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. 5 is the same. The reciprocal of that is 1/5. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. 1/10 is your final answer. Yeah, go around next time. Come on, dude. You can see Nelly with the camera right there.
I know, bro.
All right, number 4.
I know, bro.
Let's call him Sherman. Sherman has to read 1/9 of a book the next 4 days. If she reads equal portions of the book each day, how much of the book will Sherman read each day? So, what's being divided, the book or the days? The book. 1/9 divided by 4. Same, opposite, reciprocal. Remember the steps. I wrote it over here in case you need it. Read the problem carefully. What's being divided? Same, opposite, reciprocal. Reciprocal is when the numerator goes in the denominator. Denominator goes in the numerator. Then, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. That's it. You're done. So, 1/9 stays the same. Opposite division multiplication. 4, reciprocal is 1/4. 1 times 1 is 1. 9 times 4 is 36. 1/36 is your final answer. Okay, number 5. How much ice cream will a family of 5 get if they equally distribute half of a gallon of ice cream? Even though half comes after the 5, what's being divided? The half gallon of ice cream. So that's our first number. 1/2 divided by 5. Okay? Same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/2 stays the same. Opposite division multiplication. And 5, the reciprocal is 1/5. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. 1/10 is your final answer. Okay? Number 6. I was going to change the name to Albert. Albert needs to run a half mile in the next 3 minutes. Oh, well, it's a girl, but whatever. If she runs equal portions of the distance each minute, how much will Albert run? So, what's being divided? The half a mile, the distance, or the time? It says, if she runs equal portions of the distance. Equal portions is a fancy word for dividing. So, the 1/2 is being divided by 3. Okay? Equal portions. 1/2 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. The reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 1/6 is your final answer. Okay, if you need to pause to take a look at these steps, do it now. Okay. Sorry if you paused it and you saw my crazy face, but
I paused it in real life. Yeah, me too.
yeah. You
You
guys gonna pause it, put it as your profile pic again, aren't you?
Yeah!
Yeah!
All right, number 7.
Shh.
Number 7.
Don't put that up.
Kean has 9 gallons of fruit juice. He needs to divide the juice. So he's dividing the juice. The 9 is being divided. That represents the juice into servings that are 1/4 of a gallon each. So 9 divided by 1/4. Same, opposite, reciprocal. 9 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1, or 4. 9 times 4 is 36. Number 8. The Wilkinsons ordered a large sub sandwich. Only 1/5 of the sandwich is left, and 7 people still need to eat. What will each person receive if 1/5 of the sandwich is divided evenly? They tell you right in that sentence. If 1/5 of the sandwich is divided evenly, 1/5 is being divided for the 7 people. 1/5 divided by 7. 1/5 divided by 7. Same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/5 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. The reciprocal of 7 is 1/7. 1 times 1 is 1. 7 times 5 is 35. 1/35 is your final answer. Number 9. A pitcher of Gatorade's half full still needs to be divided evenly among 7 teammates. What's being divided? The Gatorade or the teammates? The Gatorade. No, the Gatorade is being divided. 1/2 is being divided by 7. So 1/2 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. The reciprocal of 7 is 1/7. 1 times 1 is 1. 7 times 2 is 14. 1/14. Yep, you got it right here. Number 10. How much ice cream will a family of 4 get if they equally distribute 1/3 of a gallon of ice cream? So we got the family of 4, and you got the 1/3 gallon of ice cream that's being distributed. 1/3 divided by 4. 1/3 represents the ice cream. The ice cream being equally distributed or divided. Okay? So 1/3 stays the same. Opposite division multiplication. And the reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 1/12 is your final answer. Okay, pause it, turn.